Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can activate our Bankwest card. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are two ways to use your card. One is using card before it arrives in the mail and another one is to use your card after it arrives in the mail. Let me get into the details. Firstly, let's talk about how to use card before it arrives in the mail. For that, open the Bankwest app. After that, tap on cards from the menu button. Next, choose your new card from the list and go to view card details to start. Another one is to use your card after it arrives in the mail. You'll need to activate it in either app or in online banking. To activate card in app, first of all you have to open the app, tap on cards from the bottom menu, choose new card from the list and tap on activate and follow the prompts. Next, to activate card in online banking, click on self-service. Next, choose manage my cards. Furthermore, choose your card from the list and click on activate now. So these are the ways to activate your card in Bankwest. Hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.